Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove duplicates in Excel. So let's start this in Excel, and here you can see I have a simple data set. So in this data I have some duplicate entries. You can see here with the same sales ID, with the same product name, and with the same customer and same amount, and other details also showing the same. Okay, so here I'm going to remove this duplicates data. So let's start. Simply select the inside the cell of this data and use the Control A to select the entire data. After that, go to the data tab. In data tools group, have one option, remove duplicates. When you keep cursor on this option, the remove duplicates name is showing. Then click on it, and here you see the one dialog box is open to remove duplicates. Okay, so here you can see the all the column list here showing. You can just drag and you can check the all column list. So here you can select the particular column to remove your column data also. Okay, there are two options, select or unselect all. When you click on it, it unselect all columns. Then after that you can select accordingly. Just click on this box and you can select your column. If you want to select the all column, just click on the selects all, and that's it. And just click on OK, and that's it. 25 duplicates values found and remove. 25 unique values remain. Note that counts may include the empty cell space, etc. Okay, click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see the duplicates data is not showing now, it's removed. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.